Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today's August the 26th, 2021. Man, I need to talk to you all about the price of gold and what happened ever since we did our price prediction. Like, the market moved so quick that I needed to come back in today and update you all as to what I'm noticing on the price chart for gold. So if today's your first time ever seeing our video and our content, guess what? We got you. If you want to be part of our community, the doors are open. Hit the like button, share, subscribe to our channel, because one thing we don't do, all right, one thing we do not do on this channel is we don't pump stocks. We don't pump commodities, and we don't just draw in all this hype just to get you all to click. No, we want everyone in our community to understand that the market is really understandable. Like, you can really understand what the outcome is going to be in terms of price movement. And you don't need to have a confusing chart to do it. You don't need to have technical indicators on your chart just to grab where market's going to go. Too many people is confusing the mess out of this space, and it doesn't require it. So if you're interested, hit me up, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to our channel. All right, so check this out. We did a price prediction into the market in gold on August the 7th, right? Let me show you what day that was on. August the 7th was on a Saturday, okay? So the market wasn't open when we did our price prediction in gold. August the 7th was a Saturday. The day that the market opened, okay, Sunday, depending on time zone and location to where you are on this earth. The price opened immediately, right? And we saw that massive move all the way down to where we told you all where our ultimate area TP was. It happened so quick that if you wasn't already in position, you didn't grab that profitability out the market, which was around 4.75%. That was massive. And it happened so quick that you probably couldn't even eat off this play. And it happens, you know, it does. Sometimes the market moves so fast that you're not in position. You just got to wait until the next opportunity. But we grabbed that right there. 4.75% profitability in gold. That's it. Okay. So check this out. Let me get rid of this because that is over. Now, one thing that I've told you all who've seen our videos about gold is that look at this trend. This is very, very important. This trend in gold, right? We started this upward trend in gold on July 2019. Okay, is where this current upward trend started. Here we are, 2021, 2 years, and we still are holding the trend. It's just that simple, guys. Let's not make this complicated. Every time the price comes down to this line, we move back up. We cracked that ascending line right there. August the 9th, we cracked it, but we came right back above it. So now the trend is still in play for gold. As long as that's the case, we know where we're going to go. So if you wanted to come in and buy gold, right, in terms of where the price is in relation to this ascending line, where would you want to buy it? Would you want to buy it closer to this ascending line because you're buying it at a cheap price and we're still seeing that the trend is intact, meaning that price is going to go higher? Or would you rather buy it further away from this trend, like if the price is around 2040, to where you can still see this market come all the way down and test that trend again? No, yeah, you want to buy it closer to where the trend is. And guess what? That opportunity is right now, right? Cool. Seeing how the price in gold came right back up above this ascending line lets me know that a lot of people are still interested in gold and they see it as an attractive price. Now, let's see the chart on a different time frame. This is the 3-day time frame in gold. Okay. What are you noticing? What do you see? Do you see massive bullishness coming through though? Do you think that there's a lot of demand coming to the market in gold? I don't think so. But at least the market is acting stable, right? I like it because we're still holding support around $1,720 to $1,760. I'm cool with that. So even under the auspice that this price breaks this trend again, those would be the areas that I'm looking for the market to hold support. Okay. So either the market in gold is trending higher or we're trading sideways. All right. Is one of the two. Oops, excuse me. Let me fix that. Right. Is one of the two. You guys can see it back here on the weekly time frame that this area could be restricting the price in gold. Right? So now, I don't want to make this confusing. Let me get rid of some of these lines. So I want to also tell you that, do you think that gold is in a downtrend? I'm just saying. Do you think we're in a downtrend? Check this out. This is the thing about drawing lines on a chart. This is the thing about looking and using technical indicators, because anyone can draw anything on a chart and it could be a plausible outcome, right? It could be plausible either way, which is why it's more important for us to get the understanding, the emotion of the market, right? So what I'm pretty much seeing in gold's price is consolidational trading. Okay, that's pretty much what I'm seeing. Now, I'm seeing price holding $1,680 as support and restriction up there around 1,840. Okay, right there. All right. Now we need to see some follow through. What I mean by that is we need to see this price break $1,840. If we don't, then this downside line, you remember that downtrend that I just created, is becoming more applicable. So this is how you're able to read the market and be on guard to see these type of things play out. If we cannot break above $1,840, then this downtrend that I've just drawn is becoming more and more likely. Okay, because when you see these two weekly price bars right here, total cumulative total of 4, we have not broken above $1,840 since, or we haven't been trading above that since June the 7th, 2021. We're almost in September and price hasn't been traded above that number. That's a problem. Okay, huge problem. So what we're going to do is we're still going to play the strength to the market in gold, but we're not going to be that bullish, right? We need to pull that back a little bit, because the market is not really giving us a true bullish indication that we're going to continue to break out. We're not seeing that. So what we're going to do, yes, I'm predicting that the price is going to go higher, right? And the lowest area of support is going to be at $1,680. Okay. $1,840 will be our first area of TP. Well, let me bring that down just a tad. Right there around $1,825. That's going to be our first area of TP. That's only 2%, right? So this is not going to be a massive play of profitability. But we understand that that was the last point to when the market got rejected in gold. So we had to be prepared for that. Let me take this over to the monthly time frame. Okay. And I'm going to hold the ultimate area TP around, what is that? $1,879. Okay. So very wide range. This is kind of our consolidation range, to put it. Okay, this is where we're expecting the market to try to trade in the long term in gold. Even if we were to break that ascending line, like I told you, it seems as if we're going to consolidate. I am acting bullish, but I'm not severely bullish to where I'm looking for the market just to explode to higher price. I don't see that yet. But for us to reclaim price back up above the ascending line, for us to hold support at numerous price levels, is another reason why I'm expecting the price to go higher. Now I got 1840, what was that, 1825 as our first area of TP, ultimately all the way up there around $1,880. It's just that simple. All right, that's it. Now, I want to know what you all think. Drop me a comment in the comment section and tell me, what do you all see on the chart in gold? As you guys can see, we didn't talk about no RSIs. We didn't talk about no MACDs. We didn't talk about no Bollinger Bands, no stochastics, no Fibonacci retracements. We didn't give you no Elliott waves. We didn't talk about 0.2, 0.3. We didn't give you any rainbow colors, shapes, sizes, nothing, right? Simple. Just tell me where you think price is going to go in gold in the next 3 weeks. All right, looking forward to reading it. Hit me up. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.